Okay, so now I got this part done. Just got to clean everything off. So hood's off. That's good. Yeah, that thing snapped. I got to get that out. I brought my screw extractor. That one just fell down in there. Gonna have to pull that off. The core sport's pretty destroyed, but we're gonna make it work some way, somehow. We're gonna make it work. But now I just gotta undo the hinges on the back, take all this off so I can get under here and get this. And then I got the 2 new ones in there. Throw both of those on, throw the hood on, drill it, put the hood pins in. I figured out how to use the Dremel and everything. So we just got to get it in here, get it nice and secure, get these pushed down. I'm going to take away the whole latch system because my hood doesn't even have a latch. It just needs hood pins. So we're going to get a hood pin here, and then we're eventually going to fully support this. We're going to get some brackets in through these somewhere. I'm going to put another hood pin on the side just to help hold it down, help it stay in place. But hood's going on today, guys. I'm going to keep walking y'all through this. We're going to get all this off. Right, make a list of all the parts and everything we need. New fucking cap for this. New support cover, whatever, for this. Gonna get all these taken off. Everything that needs to be taken off will be taken off, and then we'll be good to go. Got all the tools. So, hood is about to be on here, guys. Yes. So, one down. I just got to connect this more. Oh, man. So it'll stop hitting right there. Just got to push on, but I'm missing little pieces. But one down. Got the fender all the way back on, the light all the way back on. Now I just got to do it to the other side, and once I'm done with that, on to positioning the hood. So that'll be fun. Focus, there we go. Look who come to join the party. Cupcake. Look at Hunter, look at him.
Simba.
So this is what I got so far. I got both those on.
Is that a little rat?
She just wants attention. Look at her. Look at her.
Hi, I'm here. Hunter's arrived.
You gotta pick her up. Pick her up. Pick her up.
Hey, don't call my dog a bitch.
Hey.
Still bitch.
I'll calm your asses down. Oh, there goes Bear. All right, so got both these done.
Come here, Cupcake.
Yeah. Vlog update. Nate's buying the hood. Don't fit my shit. Dude, look at all that. Oh, that lineup though. That lineup though. Ooh.
The worst one's the one that belongs to you.
I know. I gotta sell my hood, guys, because it's not for my car. It's for a coupe. So it's great. Bro, let me get a hit of that. What is this?
I don't know. Strawberry mango?
You had the banana?
I don't like it. This sucks too.
Oh my god. Okay, let's put this on. So, hood perfectly fits his car. Doesn't fit my shit.
After you bought it and left it
You
sitting there for
ordered the
2
wrong
fucking
one.
months.
Make sure you say that.
Yeah, I just ordered the wrong one. Well, I ordered the right one. That's the thing.
The right one for a coupe.
Now Nate's got all this fucking carbon. Nate's a fucking carbon boy. Dude, that thing goes hard though. Y'all imagine that on my car. It'll be here in a few weeks, maybe a month.
Nah,
But
it's gonna be 3
all
months.
this Corona shit.
Yeah, it's 3 months.
Once the Corona shit's over, one just like this on my hood. Y'all just wait on it. Nate, that hood does go hard though. That shit goes hard. Yeah, you gotta move that out.
Let me see it because I want to make sure.
Hold on, you gotta hook. Did you hook all this stuff?
No, we're just testing right now. Just want to see if it latches. Nope. That latches like it. Someone left something under there.
Oh, you do it because I can't fucking do it.
Fucking Mazda owners.
Shut the fuck up.
Hold on, put it down slowly.
Oh, wait.
I don't think it's those bolts.
I think it's your fucking.
It's the hood.
This shit.
Hold up, let's just see.
Is it not just the
It's not latching on the latch.
is the latch pointed the wrong way or something?
Alan, can you not open the hood? Get the fuck out of here.
Mine are completely different.
Oh, is the latch closed right now? So? No? Let me see it. Take this off.
Yeah. Worse
Push
on
it,
that
don't push it
side.
down because you'll take that plastic off that one.
Was it closed?
Alan?
See, still fucking.
What the fuck?
No, that's the latch. Something's wrong with that.
I don't know. Nate, I got like $5,000 worth of fucking tools. It's somewhere.
Alright. I'm going the way. I want to get a pick real quick.
Look at it.
You don't want to wipe it down?
I gotta go seal it.
I'm so sad. I'm so fucking sad. Nate, go fuck yourself. I'm so sad. It's supposed to be my fucking car.
This shit's like fuck.
Alright, let's take those vents out. The whole point I want this hood is for cooling.
You ain't able to get under it through the hole.
Dude, and I was gonna drill holes in it.
Those star bits. That's what that's for. So you got a Phillips head screwdriver or something?
I got those of the in over here.
Or someone hold this? I got one in the trunk, I think.
So
I'm
sad.
so stupid and order the wrong one.
So sad.
He's gonna drive down the road.
Dude, I'm taking this fucking filter off. Take this motherfucker's intakes.
Can you imagine that?
Let's see if
Imagine driving down the road and the whole.
Dude, I have a thing. I literally just said I have a thing.
Oh. I was trying to say on a drill.
Yes.
Oh, then let me see it. That's what I was
What
asking
the
for.
fuck? So, Nate, what'd you say you're gonna do to the fenders? To align them?
I just gotta re-drill the holes in the fiberglass.
Nate, I want you to know you can go fuck yourself for buying my shit. Dude, that shit does go hard though. Fuck. It's got the carbon here. Oof. I thought you had carbon covers.
I sold them when I parted the car out.
Dude, imagine having motor dyne, fucking everything, IPL, and you're like, I want Tommy. I want Tommy. Damn, that shit goes hard.
Why does it smell like cat?
My neighbors probably.
Fiberglass.
Holly, don't you say you feed wild cats?
Dude, that shit does go hard.
Hold on, where can I keep that hood till like the end of the day so I can come get it?
My yard? The fuck?
No, but like on the side of the house or something?
Ain't nobody gonna steal it?
Hold on, I'm not leaving a hood.
No, you just put it where the carbon one was.
So you can just throw that bitch right on top of his car.
All right, go help him.
Alan, go over.
What?
Someone just get the door for me?
You get the door from him?
She's not gonna move, bro. Shit. Now I gotta move. Hey, somebody help me with this. Yeah, I gotta move my hood now. I'd be sad. Yeah. Well, here's my car. Yeah, I gotta buy another hood now. Yeah, it's great. So excited. Nate looking all carbon boy and shit. Look at him. He looks good.
You still got the carbon interior too, don't
Yeah, he's got the carbon steering wheel and all that. What a bitch. Oh, I'm sorry.
What?
Look at him. Look at him.
you? Hey, make sure your windshield wipers work.
Look at him.
Now he has to come back warm.
Look at him.
That looks nasty. I'm not even gonna
Dude. Look at that thing.
As soon as he takes off, fucking over the car.
Look at him. Look at him. He can't go anywhere if he wants to. His fucking trans will blow up. Shit. Okay, so, yeah. I was supposed to go in my car. So now I gotta order another one. Fuck.
The video with Mustang. The video with Mustang, and then I got what's it called?
What?
It's like half the video you make for me is the Mustang, the other half.
I put like rest in peace across the screen for his Mustang. And then do rest in peace halfway.
Well, I was saying like.
That was. Hello, beautiful.